Hi guys, it's Ish Gaming here. Am I the only one who didn't know you could get top-tier gaming performance without breaking the bank? Meet the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT. The RX 9070 XT is here, and it's ready to shake up the gaming world. Think you need to splurge on an NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti? Think again. For $200 less, the RX 9070 XT gives you comparable performance. Yep, you heard that right. Near identical gaming bliss for a fraction of the price. First up, let's talk power. With its RDNA 4 architecture, this beast delivers impressive ray tracing capabilities. Finally, AMD's caught up. And with 16 GB of GDDR6 VRAM, it handles high-res textures and demanding games like a champ. Now picture this, you're gaming at 1440p or even 4K max settings, and it's smooth as butter. That's thanks to AMD's Fidelity Bex Super Resolution 4, their AI-powered upscaling tech. It boosts performance without compromising on visuals. Budget gamers, this one's for you. Why shell out more when you can get the RX 9070 XT? It's not just my opinion, it's backed by rave reviews across the board. So if you're upgrading, do it smart. Save your cash, get top performance, and still have money left for that new game release. That's the RX 9070 XT for you. Like what you see? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more gaming content. Game on!